What's up, YouTube? My name is Bryan, and today we're going to be unboxing the OmniDTF printer. Let's get to it. To start it off, we're going to be looking at the actual package that you received, examining it for any damage that may have occurred during freight transport. On the side of your equipment, you're going to have a series of different stickers. These may be on all different sides of the machines, so go ahead and examine all sides. First, inspect for damage before accepting. While your delivery person is still there, you need to inspect the pallets for any damage and note it on the bill of lading. These stickers here for do not double stack and top load only are instructions for the freight company to make sure that these are not stacked improperly and to help limit damage. Here we have the tilt watch. So this sticker is indicating how much the machine can be tilted without incurring any damage. As noted here, we don't want it tilted past 40 degrees. Note on the bill of lading if this is at 40 degrees or past. Each of these will signify different tilt directions. This sticker is a shock warning. If the package receives any undue damage, it can trigger this little shock warning and it'll turn red in the middle. Note that on the bill of lading if it's red. Please note if these stickers are not present on your package or if anything else looks out of place. Make sure to take photos with how the equipment is received and make sure to send that to orders@omniprintonline.com along with your invoice number if anything looks out of place. A representative will contact you as soon as possible to make sure everything is in order. For unwrapping, you'll require some form of knife. Always be careful when you're working with sharp objects. And now that we have all of the wrapping removed, we're going to go ahead and take all of the boxes out, open them up, and show you what's inside. During this process, you do need to make sure that you check what you've received versus your invoice and versus the assembly manual, and make sure you have all of the pieces before proceeding. This box will have the air purifier, which is optional, so we'll tackle this separately. We're gonna go ahead and sort through all of this stuff from the assembly installation manual that you'll get once your equipment ships. So we're gonna go through and go down the checklist, make sure we have everything. All right, so DTF machine, oven, union bridge, front plexi. I imagine it's in one of these boxes. We'll come back to that. Waist bracket. This is the heater stand and this is the printer stand. The support brackets, the roll supports, DTF rolls, cardboard roll core, and then next is the variety of screws. Okay. So inside this package, these will be the adjustable legs. In this package, we have our maintenance supplies. We have washers. This is our temperature and humidity gauge. And here we have a spare damper, pliers, Allen wrenches, M6 flanged button screws. Okay. There's some other screws. These look like the M8 screws. M5 screws. Our direct rip. This one is super important. Keep the packaging on for now. This is our USB to Ethernet adapter. Our Ethernet cable. Power cables. Screwdriver. And a USB drive. All right, so we have all of the main packages unboxed. So let's go ahead and get these ones open, make sure we have everything that's in here. Cables, manual, foam, Okay, I'm gonna bring over my handy assistant Jim to help me with these boxes. Okay, in one package you're gonna have the oven, and in the other package you'll have the printer itself. We also have a smaller box that came out. Let's open this guy. In here we have our waste bottle. And that's it. All right, everybody, so that's your unboxing of the OmniDTF. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more OmniDTF content in the near future.